No? Like for us, for kids, we're using, and you guys in Philippines are using this size.
Filipino size daw to. Sira ulo ka. Hi guys! We are here na naman. Outside. Ang hulaan niyo kung saan kami pumunta today. Actually, nandito na pala kami. Nandito pala kami guys sa Baby Dump. Ano siya? Malaking shop siya na puro pang baby lang. Mga baby stuff. Lahat nandito na. Ang laki nga eh. I think hanggang 3rd floor siya. Tapos yun, kompleto lahat dito. Nandito na lahat. And nag-ano kami, nagka-canvas kami ng mga gamit para kay baby. Para next time, babalik kami dito. Alam na namin yung price para makapag-ano din kami. Prepare. Titingin-tingin na siya. Loko-loko to asawa ko kanina. Nagtitingin kami dun sa bathtub. Tapos sabi niya, yung ano na lang daw, timba. Doon na lang daw namin siya paliguan si baby. Oh, this one is for poop. Ito yun. Oh. And they're toddler. Actually, this is perfect for me. It's big life.
For me, it wouldn't fit.
Second floor lang pala to guys. So sabi ko, dito muna kami sa taas. Magtitingin. Oh, baby bed. You know, pang toddler. Ang ganda. Ito talaga hinahanap niya, yung may coffee. Oh. Is that free? Free?
Yeah.
Oh.
But you cannot walk with it. It says.
Okay.
So you have to drink it in.
Yeah. So let's sit down there. There. May pa-free coffee sila dito. Tapos may view pa na ganito. Oh, sobrang ganda.
Papa is drinking coffee.
Huh?
Papa is drinking coffee. Coffee time.
What's that? Biscuit?
Oh.
Is that yours?
No. You can take it if you want.
I think biscuit. So dito muna kami nag-uupo. Cookies. Cookies pala siya. Kakape pa kasi siya. You control that.
There.
Yeah.
It's the fire extinguisher.
Nandito kami sa mga bed section.
I think also it's better with the net so they can see through, no?
Yeah.
Feel close.
Ito magandang kulay. Tapos nasa swing pa siya. Oh. Swing, swing, swing. What are you doing?
It's not like the way it goes.
You're crazy. Arami pa doon, hanggang doon pa. Ayaw namin nung kahoy ng crib, guys. Kasi kapag malikot na yung baby, baka mauntog yung ulo niya. So, masakit yun. Kaya, ang kukunin namin is yung malalambot lang. Yung kagaya nito, yung net siya. Para hindi matigas. Para safe si baby. This one is expensive. Look at the price. $189. Oh yeah, that looks nice.
It's very low.
Yeah. Only for baby. There, oh. Look at that, babe. Ito may laruan siya, pero bukod yung price. Nasa 57 euros. Ha?
And like
You can lower.
And if you see now it's not walking, but like if you do like this, you can
Ding 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 ding. That's nice, no?
how they fix that here.
Ito naman mga car seat.
300 euros.
How much?
300.
Oh, 300? Oh, this one? Oh, so expensive.
Only for how many years it can be still good?
Only for baby, but when it's toddler, we have to change.
For bigger ones.
Yeah, for bigger one. The black? The black? But let's try to find,
I feel like you can find something cheaper, like for 160.
yeah, this one, oh, it's good.
Yeah, like this.
For us, this one is
No,
better.
Exactly.
Because it's not for a long time, you know?
I'm not gonna travel anymore.
Yeah. But let's try to find the 2-in-1 with the car seat and stroller. Ang dami mong pagpipilian dito, guys. Hanggang dun pa. Ang laki ng shop. Andito naman kami sa stroller. Mga stroller. Let's check the price. How much? What? 1,000? Puro ang mamahal lang
Forget those.
This one is, I think it's a branded, famous brand.
When you can run, no?
It's 60,000 pesos, guys, for a stroller. Imagine.
No way.
Jules. Pero syempre, practical lang dapat tayo kasi hindi naman tayo mayaman. Hindi naman millionaire yung napangasawa natin. How about this? How much? 200? Nice.
I'm checking what's why it's in different price.
224 and then 440. Dalawa yung price. Oh, try to practice, babe. Change diaper. No. Just practice. Or for example, wrapping the baby. Oh, this one. Oh, how you wrap the baby when the baby's gonna sleep.
I have to put like this, baby lift, and that's it. Easy as that. Not complicated.
Akala niya ganun-ganun lang, ha? Tignan natin kapag lumabas na yung baby.
Finished.
That's it, huh? You're crazy. Look at this, babe. Oh. Ang ganda ng design nila dito.
Can I fit there?
Don't try.
Of course I'm not trying.
You're crazy.
Is it for babies?
Pillow. Baby's pillow, I think.
So hard.
I don't know. Parang IKEA siya. Ganun yung dito, setup niya. Kasi ganito sa IKEA, di ba? Arrange na yung mga idea ng design pang baby. Ito ang ganda. Oh my god. Parang gusto ko na. This one is standard, babe.
Yeah, of course. They're like really big ones.
Ganda. Tignan nyo. Ang ganda na yung setup. May mga sticker. Ayan. Maglalagay din ako ng sticker doon, guys. Bibili ako ng sticker. Tapos, pangalan ni baby. Pero wala pa kaming naiisip ko anong pangalan niya. Siguro kapag 7 months, ganun. nag-iisip pa kami kung ano. Gusto ko kasi unique name. Ewan ko dito, wala pa naman siya naiisip. Lahat na naiisip ko, ayaw niya. Ang pangit daw. Ang gaganda naman. Sarap mag-ano dito, pero di pa kami bibili. So, what's that? Parang ang ganda din ito. Oh, di ba? Ganda ng ano talaga. Parang ito yung magandang idea na gawin ko. Kasi bibili din ako ng cabinet, guys. Ganto siya, pero ano, sa IKEA lang din namin bibilin. Pero maganda to, ah. Tapos ganito. Plan ko din nga sana maglagay ng ganyan, eh. Tapos naka ano yung ano, pangalan niya. Para malagay ko din yung mga ano dito, mga stuff. Yeah. Slipper. Are you excited?
I am. Why?
You are.
Laughing.
Nothing. Bababa na kami, guys. Doon naman. Dami ding tao dito nag-ano. Oh. Cutie.
Like for us, for kids we're using, and you guys in Philippines using this size.
Filipino size daw to. Sira ulo ka. Mga silicone. Pang ano siya ba? Like 6 months when your baby's 6 months na. They're starting eating.
What is this? Like it's for dog, right?
What dog? Are you crazy? It's silicone. They're play and then they're gonna bite.
No, you throw and then dog brings it back.
Niloloko na lang tayo nito, guys.
My brother's dog has the same one.
Nandito naman kami sa bathtub. Ang ganda nito kasi mayroon siyang stand. Ganyan. Kita niyo. This one is nice, babe. Oh? Ganyan siya. Mayroon na siyang ano. Tapos,
So is it like
ano
this
din na
size?
siya. Para sa... may skin. Ano?
So when you're born, it's gonna be like this size?
Yeah. More than that.
Bigger?
Yeah. It's big.
This is small, very small.
Yeah, small. I think doing, I don't know how many weeks is like that. The size. Practice, babe. Practice there.
What can I practice?
Like how you gonna trying to,
No.
yeah, like this.
Okay, this is... But I don't do this.
Mama gonna get mati.
Exactly.
Ito din, maganda. Mayroon siyang anti-slip. Agad to. Natatakot pa siya. Mayroon pa siya sa ilalim.
Like this is kind of important, huh?
Dito naman kami, guys, sa baby swing. What's that? How much? Ang ganda, Nasa ano siya? 143 euros, babe. 269. This one, ang ganda, 248. Ang gaganda nila, pero ang ano din, ang ganda na din ang price. Nandito naman tayo sa mga gamit pang baby. Ano to? This one is book. Bote. We need bottle, babe, like this. Philip. 135. Ang mahal, no? Ang mamahal ng bottle. Ito guys, may ano sila. Manual pump. Iniisip ko kung magma-manual pump na lang ako or electric. Kasi sabi nila, mas ano daw, may side effect yung electric na breastfeeding pump na electric. Ito naman is this one. Meron na siyang electric din siya. Pero bottle, tapos may pump siya. Ito wala siyang bottle, pump lang. Ito, pitching. Iconic. In fairness, hindi naman masyadong mahal yung mga ibang dito sa shop nila. Pero yung iba, yung may mga talaga branded mahal. Pero meron pa namang mura-mura kahit pa paano. You want to read the books for your baby?
Can't.
Why not?
I don't speak Dutch.
It's Dutch? It's Dutch book pala. They can. They have to translate in
No,
English.
actually I can read this kind of level.
Let's go here. Ano naman to, mga toys.
Słuchajcie, na górze. No?
Ito lang ang outfit natin today. Laki na ng baby bump ko. I'm so excited na. Oh my God. Nakakatuwa. Ano na tayo? Mag-4 months na guys. Malapit na. Matagal pa. Ito puro mga laruan na ng bata. Ito mga toys. Here babe, is anong tawag dito? Baby carrier. Tapos dito is CCTV. Are we gonna get CCTV? Camera? Camera for baby?
Maybe.
Yeah?
How much is this?
69.
169?
Yeah. 100 plus.
What you doing there? Is the small?
This one is better. Like this one. Change one. I don't like the color. This one is nice.
Wait. Yeah.
Crazy. Nag-trip lang talaga tong asawa ko. This one is toys. Dito naman kami ngayon sa baby's clothes. This is newborn clothes. Babe, another baby. Oh. I think this is a newborn.
Yeah, no one. Premature.
premature. So let's go here. No? Cute. There's my baby girl. Oh, sana girl yung baby namin. I wish it's a girl. Ang gaganda ng damit oh. Tapos ito pang winter. Oh my God. Imagine, baby's wearing winter clothes.
And Lithuania.
Lithuania. Oh, so cute, right? Dito naman full ano siya, full body. This one, babe. Oh, newborn clothes. Ang cute. Ang gaganda ng tela, ha? Gaganda ng quality ng mga ano. Kaya gusto ko ng girl kasi para madamitan ko siya ng magaganda, ng mga cute.
That's een voordeel baby met
Alam mo yun? Para cutie-cutie. Pero, ayan that one, babe. Oh, it's cute for baby. I love Oppa. Oppa. Oppa, Oppa. I love Oma. Oma, Oma. Meron silang I love Papa. So nice.
Maybe he doesn't. Why someone decides?
Tapos na kami magtingin-tingin, guys. Pauwi na kami. Sobrang cloudy ngayon. Kikita nyo, ang puti-puti. Walang kaano-ano. Tignan nyo yung windmill. Hindi na makita. Halos. Let's go home. Napakalamig. Sobrang lamig. What a nice day. So cold. Hindi pa namin alam, guys, kung kailan pa kami bibili ng gamit. Pero for sure, baka sana next month, mag-start na kami or January. Depende kung may budget. Kasi marami pa kami binabayaran. Nag-iipon pa kami. Kaya, okay, mag-skip ng ads. Tell to them, babe, don't skip ads.
Don't skip the ads. I do actually.
Yeah, you're always skipping the ads. I said, don't skip. And by the way, mayroon nag-comment sa vlog ko. Sabi niya, lagi daw nanonood ng vlog yung mama niya. Tapos, pati daw siya nanonood na din dahil sa mama niya. So, shout out sa iyo, Mami Arlene Climacosa. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung ko. And sabi niya may sakit daw yung mama niya. So, pagaling ka po. God bless. Say, babe.
God bless.
God bless po.